Hello everyone, welcome back to some more daily rating nonograms. Well, I say daily, but I guess I should start this off by apologizing for missing the last 2 days. I don't really have an excuse, but I'm back, so whatever. Alright, it is 11:30 a.m. It is September 16th, and this is the day's puzzle. So, let's get started. Okay, first thing I immediately see is this on the edge that looks really powerful actually, so I'll go ahead and start on that. So 16 and then 3 and then minus 5 to both. And the same thing for this 20 minus 5. This looks like a lot of progress like off the bat. This seems like just an extreme amount of progress. So I have high hopes. So 9, 8, 7, 2, 2, 7, 7, 6, 5, 2, 2, 13, 14, and 6. Okay, so that's the 7, that's the 4, that's the 3. Immediately complete that. Why can't I use a mouse? Okay, 7, 3, that has to be 1, that's a 1, and that's a 7. Nothing here, that's a 3. Nothing. Okay, other side. Okay, 2, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 3, 10, and then 4, 9, and then 6. Yes. Okay, that's the 10. Here's the 1, and here's the 3. That's a 3. That's a 6. Yeah, wow, insane amount of progress already. Let's fill in the blanks. So 7. So 3, 4. That's a 3. That's a 3. 1, 1. Okay, later. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 1 on 1 and then 5. 7. Oh, nice. That's a 20. Nothing here. That's a 16. That's a 3. Complete. Nice. So this is the 13, 14, 16. I mean 6. Sorry. Nothing there. Nothing here. 1, 1, 6, 6, 1, 1, 3. This has to be the 6. Nothing here. 2, 4, 2, 3. Yeah, checks out. 1, 9, 6. That's a 1. That's a 4. That's a 15. Okay. No space. Alright. This is the 4. No space. 6. That's a 1. This is a 7. 6. Yeah. That's a 4. Alright, now that's a 9. Number 5. Yeah. This is a 3. 6. Yeah. No, let's remove that for now. That's a 3. Okay. This is a 6. 3, 8. That's a minus 6. 1, 3. Okay, that's the 3, that's the 2. Okay, this is a 10. We can extend that over there. It's also a 10. There's a 4. Oh, 8. Extend the 8. Minus 5 now. That's a 1. 3 has to be down here. Oh, okay. Uh, 10, 2, 1, 6. Extend this. Cut that off. Sorry, hang on. Okay. Three, 4. So 3. 3. That's the 6. That's a 2. That's a 1. This is a 3. Alright. Where can we go? I think this 8 has to be up here, right? So 8, 3. Yeah, definitely. So 8. Minus 1. That's the 2. That's the 9. That's the 3, 6. 6 is done. That's the 2. Here's the 7. That's the 7. Yes. No space for the 5. That's the 8. That's the 1. That's the 7. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Nice. Okay, what now? That's a 2. That's the 9. Feels like there's something I'm missing. It's whatever. We'll come back to it. Oh wait, 3, 2, 5. Why can't I use a mouse, bro? That's the 10. That's a 10. That's a 3. That's an 8. Okay. 3, 1, 1, 1. Those have to be ones. Yeah, those definitely have to be ones. No, that's a 5. I mean, that's a 3. This is the 5. I can cut that off here. This is part of the 11. So cut that off there. Oh, this is a 5, this is the 3, so cut this off here. Nothing here. This has to be the 2. Nothing, 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 nothing. So that's the 6, that's the 2. 2, 10, 3, no space, 6. 2, 1, 1, 1 has to be a 1 up here. 4, 5, 5, 3. 1 3 5 3 3 2 5. Okay. Um. All right. Wait. These are both ones, so there's nothing up here. That's a 6. Yes, that's a 6. Okay, great. This has to be part of the 5. Ooh. What now? What now? Hmm. 2 4 6 1 7 minus 1. So that's our 6. This has to be a 1. This 10. Two, 3, 6. This is part of the 11. We'll extend that over here. 6 7 2 2 5 1 minus 1. No space. Okay, this is the 1. This is the 1. That's the 3. That's nice. That's very nice. That's very nice, actually. Where to go now? This is the 5. No space here. So this is part of the 10. No space. This is part of the 5. That's the 8. 5 has to be down here. 2 1 1 4. Okay. That's the 3. 7 2 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Nothing yet there. Where to go? This is a 2. Yeah, that's a 2. This has to be the 1. Yeah, that's the 1. That's the 6. That's the 3. That's the 1. That's the 1. 1 1 6 1. Okay. 7 3 5. 8 2. 1 1 1 1. Okay. What now? Two 1 1 4 2. Okay, so 2 1 1 1 4. So nothing here, because that's a 2. Then so 3 1 1 1 1. Yeah, 1 6 1 1 1 1 3. Yeah, that's the 5. This is the 2. This is the 6. Yeah. Yeah. So 5, 3, 5. So nothing here. And then the 4 has to be down here. I wish I could figure out what this was. It's a little tricky. Where to go now? 6, 7, 2. So the 4 has to be here. The 1. So 4, 1, minus 2. So nothing here. Yeah. 7, 5, 1. 2, 3, 6, 1. Oh, 2, 3, 6, 1, and then 3 more 1. So 1, 1, 1. Nice. That has to be at least a 3. That's at least a 2. So this is the 4. But also at least a 2. 7. 2, 4, 6, 1, 7. So this, yeah, okay. Uh-huh. Where to go? Where do I go? This has to be a 3. This has to be a 2. So there's nothing here. What am I missing? Ah, wait. So if there's a 1, there's nothing here. Yes, 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 yes. So 5. And that's a 5. So the 1 has to be over here. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. This is a 3. Wait. This is a 5 because this is a 3. Okay, that's a 5. That's a 1. That's a 2. So this is the 3, nothing here. Extend the 6. Wait, 6, 1, 2, minus 3. Yes. No space for these 5s. They have to be up here. Minus 2. That's a 2. That's the 3. Uh-oh. 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 That's wrong. Oh, crap. Ooh. Undo, 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 undo. Where was I? Okay. Um. This cannot be. This cannot be the 6. I mean, this cannot be the 3. Because if that's blocked off, this has to be the 6. And that's the 3. Which means that's the 1. That's the 2. I'll play off of this, I'll play off of this, situation first. That's a 5. No, it also doesn't work. I'm doing something wrong. Is this even still correct? It's not. Bruh. What did I do wrong? What's happened? I was doing so well. Can I just clear all of this? Yeah, okay, it was down there. Well, sorry. 5, 8. That's a 6. 2, 3, 6. That's an 8. Minus 5. 1, 3, 1. Man, this shouldn't be hard. I got like an excellent opening. It shouldn't be that hard. Six, 7, 2, 5, 1. Nothing. Man, there's almost nothing to play off of in down here. It's really difficult. 5 minus 4. That's a 3. One, 1, 6, 1, 1. Oh, why is this so difficult? There's really nothing to go off of. 3, 6, 1, 2. Man, I don't know what to do. There's nothing for me to like get a hold of. I think, okay, risky, but I think the 15 ends here. Is that correct? No. Okay. Yeah, oops. So no, it doesn't, so it has to be over here. That's a 5. Okay. That's a shame. What is going on? I'm stuck. I'm like really stuck. I think this means I should take a break because I got nothing, man. I have no idea what to do with this board. So I'll come back to this puzzle later. So yeah. Sorry. See ya. Get ready for a cut. Hello everybody. I'm back. Let's finish this. Okay, so where did we leave off? Just let me scan around, look for things I can try and pull. What did earlier me not see? I might just have to start guessing really because I don't know what's going on. Where can I go? I'm sorry, it's just really tough. I don't really have a clue where to go, honestly. 6, 7, 2, 5, 1. It doesn't need. I mean, that doesn't go anywhere. I think I might just have to guess. Like honestly, I think I just have to guess this. Or, yeah, I'm gonna guess that this is the 10. Is that correct? Yeah, that is correct. So here, so that's a 3. That completes this 10. That's this 3, and like now what, right? Oh man. I just really don't know what to do. Okay, what if I guess this 5? I'm gonna guess this 5 is down here. Nope, it is up here for some reason. Hey. Okay, let's keep going from there. So that's the 1, right? Yeah. This is a 2. This is a 3. That's a 3. This completes the 8. It's a 3, 1, 2, 2, 2. 3, 1, 1, 1, 4, 3. 2, 3. 1, 1, 6, 1, 1, 3, 2. Nice. That's the 2. That's the 5. That completes 1, 1, 1. That's a 3. That's a 3. That's a 3. Alright. This is a 1. 5. That's the 1. Okay, that's the 1. That's all completed. Okay. Alright, at least I have something to actually work with now. Jeez. Or do I? Or do I? Man, there's just I just don't have any leads. What about this? So this could be a 1 and then there's a 4. Well, there's a 1 4 here. No, that doesn't lead anywhere, bruh. Then I'm gonna guess that this 3 is up here. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I've resorted to guessing because I just really don't know. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3. Hey man, I never claimed to be the best at these things. Sorry, wait. Alright, that's a 3, that's a 2, so 3, 5, 14, 1, 1. Sorry, wait lang. Sorry, give me a second. Alright. Okay, where to now? Sorry, got a little distracted there. Like actually, just where can I go? This is 2 1 1 1 4 2. Okay, 4 2 2 doesn't lead us anywhere, but at least gives us this 3. And that 3 gives us what? Man, I don't get it. I'm just gonna guess that the 11 is there. Okay, it is. Apparently. I don't get it, dude. What's going on? Why? Yeah, I suck. Man, I'm really bad at these. 14, 1, 1, 4. That's the 3. That's the 2. 2, 6, 3. That's a 1. That's a 3. That's a 2. 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2. That's done. That's our 5. 13, 3, 1, 3. That's our 5. That's a 2. That's a 3. 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 2. So 5, 5, 4, 5. That's a 2. That's a 3. That's a 3. Nothing here. That's a 4. That completes. Yeah. And that completes. Okay. That's a 1. There's a 6 over here. Minus 2. Nothing there. Nothing here. Wait. 2, 4, 6, 1, 7. Okay, that's that. That's that over with. That has to be the 4. This has to be the 5. This is a 3. This is a 4. That's a 2. These are 2s. This is a 3. This is a 2. 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 1, 1. Okay, that's a 5. 9, 2, 1, 1. Yep. 8, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Yeah. 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. Correct. 6, 7, 2, 3, 1. 6, 10, 2, 1. That's a 3. That's a 5. That's a 3. That's a 3. And gosh, finally done. Okay, that is today's puzzle in 37 minutes. 37:53 to be exact. Anyway, I will post this and see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye bye.